discuss first social science. Last two we discuss heritage. Now let us discuss about tribal people of India. Students have proved evidence settled in our nation. Human came east and south, various heritage, many foreign the most some modern historians of Dravidians. This them of the Negroid, some historians that the Negro inhabitants in India. They Africa, Baluchistan, where the color food 5 feet height, having of the physical head, flowers in height. Came on India, called coding of called Khasi types of the asteroid. They made clay utensils, colored, and they knew who made this alpine, dinaric, armenoid, Central Asia, found in Gujarat, Bengal, Odisha, and Odisha. And Mongol type of people came from they settled down in North Assam, Sikkim, Bhutan, Bengal. The yellow complexion, race, chubby cheeks, short-shaped eyes, they were known as among these one, let us discuss about the two tribes, Dravidians and Aryans. Originally, Dravids belonged to India, the direct descendants of Stone Age civilization, and they were creators of Mohenjo-daro, the first to build brick Harappa and the where its prince cities give construct Parvati. Parvati means the mother goddess, the father award. Developed skills in reading, making crafts, and boards. Dravidians had also the skill of spinning and weaving. They were women at the cultural when the sun, the river, and have given the concept of do, be, and are. Students, Aryans, Dravids, south and at the head. The result today you can see people speaking Dravidian languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam. So this Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam is Dravidian language. Let us talk about Aryans. The Nordians, Aryans, like Hindu Aryans in the area where they use densely populated which was called Aryans were motivated. They love, they worship Jesus, mountains, sun, rain. They had composed prayers, religious ceremonies, their guardians lived according with the religious as Bharat, Bharat worship after the name Bharat. Thus, the Bible including even Dravids and Aryans. Was asked this question in previous in the culture is rich and full history. So India is large, India is a vast country with various different types of geographical features. History stretches old age to the modern time. History of the nations with the people of India from the countries from all over the world. India has been influenced by many people who care in our country and made home. India is crucial culture which contributed India rich in culture is a given to us by our fathers, by our sisters. What is the features, main feature of Indian culture? So the main feature of Indian culture that is unity in diversity. Vivid Dhamma Ekta. Almost all the racial groups have made their home in India. They came here, they settled here, and they have accepted the Indian culture. They have migrated over the thousands of the years and have already combined with the accepted with the Indian culture. They brought their cultures and tradition which mix with the existing Indian culture and enrich it. Thus, the Indian culture has continuously developed in the cultivating a common culture. Today, India is a vast country with a diverse culture, with the diverse beliefs. People speak different languages, they follow the different religions, but they always united. Thus, we can say that the beauty of the Indian culture in its unity and diversity. Dear students, already we have discussed in details about the ancient tribal people of India, features of the Indian culture, cultural heritage, nature heritage, what is culture, what is nature heritage in lesson number 1. So in next lecture, we are going to discuss lesson number 2. Once I had sent to you even the question answers, even the one paper of the question paper of the lesson number 1. So you will have to write these short notes in your notebook, and then once again I will send one question paper probably in next week that would have to show. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.